Hello everyone, my name is eBay. Today I'm just gonna keep it real short and sweet. And the reason why I'm actually making this video is my fifth payout withdrawal review that I'm sharing with you guys. And regarding FutureAdpro, which the main company is FutureNet. And with this company, like I said in my previous video, company been out since 2014, if I'm not mistaken. The main company owned by, excuse my voice, the main company owned by FutureNet. And, every day by day, the company is just getting stronger and stronger. And, they're just finding ways to make, revenues out there, for a lot of people like us, and them themselves as well. And like I said, with this company, it's not going anywhere anytime soon, because one of the main reasons I like this company, you come in here, you serve your 10 ad a day right here, as you can see. You serve your 10 ad a day, and once you serve your 10 ad a day, based on the amount of ad pack that you have, you're going to be earning every 15 minutes, which is a great sign for anyone that, they would love to see that. But pretty much that simple. Like I said again, you come in here, watch your 10 ad a day, based on your time zone, watch your 10 ad a day, then purchase your ad pack. Based on the amount of ad pack you have, that's what you're going to be earning, every 15 minutes. And within that 15 minutes, you want to purchase the $50 ad pack. For each ad pack you buy is convert into one. So if you buy one $50 ad pack, it's one ad pack you're going to earn based off that $50 ad pack. If you buy the $10 ad pack, you'll be earning based off that $10 ad pack based on the company revenue. And like I tell folks, with the $50 ad pack that you purchase, it kind of moves. I won't say it kind of moves, but it moves quicker, like on the earning revenue, every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes. And with the $10 one, it take a little while. It's like a 60% less speed than, this one is about 80% speed up, based on the amount you have that you'll be generating based on the company revenue. And also another great thing I like about this company as well, on this platform on FutureAdpro, is we have advertising account, where you can come over here and promote your other company as well. If you don't want to promote FutureNet, you can promote your other business as well. And one thing I like about it is, when you purchase any ad pack, you get a certain percentage for credit, for you to advertise. So every time if I go ahead and repurchase my ad pack again, my advertising increases by a couple cents. Depends on the amount of ad pack that I do have. So every ad pack that I purchase, I get a credit for my advertising account. You can advertise, and as you can see at the moment, this is how much I have in my online account, and this is my advertising account. So if I wanted to, if I didn't have any fun out here, then I can use my FutureAdpro online account and transfer down here. But I have enough money in my advertising account to promote other businesses as well. And I'm going to show you guys what the advertising look like. Let me show you guys my old. Let me show you guys my old advertisement. I think they actually deleted. I'm not mistaken. Okay, manage advertising. I'm tripping. As you can see, this is how much I have left on my advertising. This is one of my company that I was actually advertising for another company, and this is another one that I was advertising for another company. And let me see if so as you can see, I'm gonna give you an example of one. Like for instance, this is Switch Gold Global. So if I open it, you can give it a title, you can give it a text, then you put your link here you want to promote, and then it has like different ways of you promoting it. You can either go by the gender, the age, man, women, country, English, or however you chose to do. So that's the good thing about the platform. But the main purpose for me making this video is to let you guys know that the payment is always going to be there. I know a lot of people ask me like, I want to see proof, but I've been making my proof since last year. But I just started doing a couple of them. I did the first payout, then I did the second one, third one, fourth one. This is my fifth one. I should have actually did it last week, but I had some things I was trying to get caught up on outside of this. But I'm gonna take you guys to my business, go to my payout, and as you can see right now, these are all my payout. And my fifth payout that I took out was 2018 on September the 19th, which was roughly about 2 weeks ago. So I took out almost $300. And then, every time you take out the amount that you actually need, 5% go to your FutureNet, which is something I'm going to have to discuss in another video later on. But 5% go to your FutureNet matrix, where you can upgrade your matrix packages on there and still earn revenue over there too as well on that side. And this was my balance. And then, with the price of whatever method you use to receive your fund, with Bitcoin, which I chose, as you can see right here, I chose Bitcoin as my transaction method. So the maximum you can withdraw is $25, then the fees is $35. But some people kind of find it a little bit expensive. But if you don't want to go towards that route, for those that outside of the US, I'm pretty sure you guys can use CoinDeal. So it's free, you register, and you can use either one of this, and then it's less cheaper for you to withdraw. But I'm in the US, so I can't actually use it because it's not out here in the US yet. So that's my only method that I can use right now. Either that, or I can do bank wire or net teller, but I haven't tried those out yet. So I just stick with my Bitcoin method, which is the fastest way I usually receive my funds. So it usually take about anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for you to receive your fund. But that was my last pay, as you can see right here. September the 19th, I met it with Bitcoin. I actually took out a withdrawal of $293.54, and then 5% of that was $14.68, left me with a balance of $278.86. And then, for me to receive my fund into my Bitcoin wallet, they charged me a $35 fee. And then that's how much I totally received on my Bitcoin wallet. And I can actually take you guys to my Coinbase account where I actually did receive it, but I can't really pull it up right now. So I'm just going to show you guys live on my phone just to let you guys know. But if you guys are actually looking for a way to make a little passive hustle on the side, this is something that you want to stick with, because I know there's a lot of revenue companies out there that comes and go. Maybe they might hang around 90 days. Some of them might hang around to close to a year. Who knows? But you can always make money on those type of hype programs, from HYIP programs. You can always make money on this kind of hype program. But the problem is you got to get in early, get your seed money out, and then whatever that's left that happened to the program, then it is what it is. But with this company right here, they've been out for a very, very long time. So I've done my diligence, and as you can see, this is the amount that I actually received. As you can see right here, 248, and it shows you the date right there and everything. So I'm not trying to lie to you guys or anything, but that was the fund that I actually did receive. But if you guys are looking for a way to make some money online. I'm not trying to make this video all about the money, but you know, I know some folks out there trying to find a way to eliminate their job, or maybe need something part-time on the side. And this is one of them that you guys can actually do right here, because it's not that hard. It's not a company that's very hard. You know, I already did my diligence, so I know what this company is all about. So if you guys are looking for a way to make a little nice passive, this is something you guys can do. You know, all you do is come in here, sign up, you know, watch your 10 ad a day, and then based on your ad a day, you know, you're going to be earning every 15 minutes. You know, as you can see in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another bonus, you know, because I was going to go ahead and buy some ad packs. So I'm going to show you guys that as well. So what you do is come down here. As you can see, that's my ad pack I have. The amount I have in my advertising, that's how much I have in my account right now. And I'm going to go ahead and buy me some new ad packs. So as you can see, it says the $10 ad pack works slower than the $50 ad pack. If you buy the $50 one, it's 80% more speed of, you know, based on the revenue you're going to be earning. So I usually buy the $50 ad pack. So I'm just going to buy one for now. And that's pretty much it. If you don't have fund in the account, I can always walk you guys out, you know, where you can actually purchase your first Bitcoin wallet or transaction, you know, to actually get started. But if you guys are actually looking for a way to make money online, this is one of them that I'm going to suggest to anybody. And if y'all have any questions, y'all can reach out to me. I'll have my link below this video. I'll have my Facebook below this video, and you guys can always reach out to me, and you know, we can work together. Other than that, that's pretty much it. You know, pretty much the video was just more about you know, my payout. As you guys can see, that's how much total commission I've earned with the company. And you know, this is just another lucrative way of making money online. And as you can see, so I'm not trying to scam anyone, or you know, the company trying to scam anyone, but that's just one of them right there. But if y'all have any questions, y'all reach out to me, and you know, I'll try to get back with you guys ASAP. Don't forget to like, subscribe below this video, you know, to my YouTube channels, and we can go from there. Alright, remain blessed and take care. I'm out.